Sobo Tie. Couldn't resist but to say his name wrong. We're in a MK8 Fiesta ST.
Yep, 1.5.
Yep. So do you want to give me a bit of the standard power specs?
So obviously from factory, they are just under obviously 200 horsepower. This is currently running the Puma speed at stage 1R, which is running about 245 and 396 torque.
So sorry, what was that?
245.
Yep.
296 newton meters of torque.
Oh, really? So that's. And have you, like, after you've had that, have you noticed a significant difference?
There's a massive difference in top end speed and mid range. So yeah, I'm really happy with it.
Yeah, cool. So you're already in race, is it racing or track mode?
Track mode, yeah, at the moment, yeah.
So what's the other mode that's on there?
So obviously you got your standard sport, which has got overrun and crackles map.
Oh, it sounds so good. And that kind of speed from such a little car.
Yeah, considering it's obviously a 3-cylinder, I was a bit dubious when I did get it, but I'm amazed at sort of like the top that you can get from these little engines.
God, that drone as well. Yeah. So what's next? What ones are next?
So at the moment, obviously it's just a map. I've literally just fitted Frodo DS 2500s, 660 I believe it is, 280 discs and pads, which are sort of like really good. So they're embedded in.
Yep.
I've also just had fitted the Scorpion catback exhaust and the GPF filter. So these, obviously with all the new EU laws, they are obviously coming with a GPF filter, so that's gone, which makes it a little bit sort of louder, but most importantly, obviously, it helps with the torque and bits and pieces.
Yeah. So this isn't decat at the moment, no?
No, the decats aren't out at the moment. They're looking at getting them in the next couple of months. So. Yeah! No key detected. Did we leave it back at The key is back in the room.
Oh.
It's in my arm. Not literally.
I can't. What is this? Seatbelt's so far back. God. Have you moved the seat back?
No, I've got short legs.
Yeah, but how can I reach it? I've got long legs.
Have you?
I'm not. This doesn't feel. Actually, I feel like I need to go closer. Maybe it's because I've got like racing driver style driving nowadays.
It's got that grab handle either.
I'm panicking!
Yeah.
Oh, this is the worst place to pull out of as well.
So you might as well try it in
normal mode. Yeah, no, let's try out the different modes.
2 cars and then go.
All the sound's gone. Can you see anything in front?
Go for
it. Go for it as cars come down the road. Am I free?
Yep. So obviously first gear is a bit.
Yeah, it's weird, that, isn't it?
And then they built the power in.
It still moves really quick though, even though it's in. What mode are we in?
Yeah, it's just a normal mode, so it's been mapped so that it is more sort of OEM, if that's what you want to call it.
It does feel nice though.
But you can feel it does pull.
I tell you what, those tyres sound like a train, don't they? They sound like I'm running next to a railway. Other than that, in terms of the things that like Daryl usually goes through, because that's what he's expecting from me right now. I really like the steering wheel.
Yep.
The heads-up display is really nice. I like the whole full performance thing at the bottom, and I'm not sure I'm a fan of it constantly telling me.
What about gearing? You like in the short shift?
Is it got it? Is that part of what come from factory, or did you put that on?
That's come from factory. You can't make it shorter. The Puma speed do.
It is nice, and I like the feel gear knob. And it's not, do you know what? It's really easy to downshift it as well. Oh, that's so nice. I really like the whole centre. I don't have a bad thing to say about it. Right, in this exact spot. Right, do you remember how to do it? I think you press this button.
Press launch control.
Right, and then you just put your foot on the gas.
Gear.
And then you just put it all the way down, don't you?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. Oh, it doesn't hang about at all. You haven't tried. Did you notice it barely wheel span? There you go. The tyres.
That is the wonderful thing of obviously getting the Puma speed. I've not had any wheel hop or any sort of wheel spinning that much.
I'd say that's a mixture between that and the tyres.
Yeah. Obviously with the AAA-Rs, they are a good tyre.
Should we do it again?
Do it again.
Right, this is the perfect place. Ready? So you press this button.
You want to buy my car soon?
I already want to buy it now. Okay, that time wheel
was
span.
fun.
Oh, that was awesome. Right, so we've got to find a way to turn around.
Oh, can you smell tyre?
It's just wheel hop. Oh, that was a lot of fun. Well done. Right, before we go into the next part of the video where Daryl gets to drive a bit, you got any social medias that you want to...
Patchy, ST Mark 8 is my Instagram.
So is it just Patchy ST
yeah.
Mark 8 or MK8?
Yeah, and everyone should obviously realise why it's called Patchy. So
I'm not saying anything.
yeah,
No,
I don't know.
no other social medias? No?
That's it.
Okay, cool, perfect.
Cool.
Thank you very much. What is that red light there?
3 cylinders.
Yeah. You mean beep? That is 3 cylinders.
It's quite hard to heel toe in this.
I know, I couldn't heel toe. I could rev match, but I couldn't heel toe.
Please go around the corner really fast as well.
You're trying to get me to it, and I just couldn't bring myself to do it that
Right
fast.
now, because there's just no cars.
That is quality. I can't believe this is only 3 cylinders and it's got that much poke.
Yeah, it's 245 about, I think it's 396, I think it's what it is.
Stinks well.
In a minute, Jamie will get out and he'll go, I was trying to time and drive it like he stole it. We're all opposite here in quite amazed mode.
Can't see.
I can't see. Right, have you changed the mode yet?
Yeah, it's pretty
It's race.
No, you've just done it.
Yeah.
I was about to say, I swear the exhaust is now much louder.
So it's stage. Is this stage 1?
Stage one,
What did you get?
yeah.
Did you get it mapped up?
Literally, they sent my calibration off to them, and then they